If you work in pubs, hotels, restaurants, supermarkets or retail environments, you must have sufficient hygiene training. This Food Hygiene Level 2 training course will be perfect for your requirements. It will ensure that you have the facts and the ability to provide the cleanliness expected in your business. Across multiple learning modules, the crucial techniques needed to keep all food free from contamination will be presented in easy-to-understand lessons. As well as basic hygiene techniques, it also prepares you by giving you a primer on food safety management systems and HACCP. By signing on for this Level 2 training course, you won't just be meeting industry standards, but exceeding them. Commit to scoring an excellence rating in your food-based business. Sign up now.